for lovable, huggable, cute little you. Mm. Dear Troy, happy first birthday. I'm so happy that you're into my life. Oh, that's so sweet, Daddy. Hold on.
Let Mama read it.
Okay, later. Oh. You can play with it first. It's okay once you play with it. Into my life. You've changed my life in the most amazing way, and I love you so much. You're such a beautiful boy. Oh, that's so sweet. You're Dada.
Yay!
Yay!
Yeah.
1 year old. There you go. See, it's Super Troy. Super Troy.